Hey guys, it is Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Continental Finance. Now, they have the Reflex Platinum Master Card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is the initial credit limit starts from $300 to $1,000. And of course, of making your payments consistently for 6 months, you can receive a credit increase up to $2,000, but this is totally based on your credit worthiness history. Okay, you can enjoy peace of mind with zero MasterCard liability protection. With Master Zero Liability Protection, you will not be held responsible for unauthorized charges on your Reflex credit card. With zero fraud liability, you are only responsible for the purchase that you make, so you can shop with confidence, okay, which is always great. Now, they do report to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can also receive a free monthly credit report of your credit profile, which is always great. They also have credit tools and researches, online account management, mobile app, knowledge base, and credit protection card holder agreement and privacy information. Now, I do recommend this credit card if you have a low 580, high 600 credit score. Okay? So this is only for rebuilding your personal credit with such high limits, okay? And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.